Hello, Tiny Reviewer friends. It's Tiny Reviewer. Today I'll be reviewing garlic butter shrimp, tail of shrimp in garlic butter, white wine, oregano, and parsley. Here are the nutrition facts, and here are the ingredients containing shrimp and milk. Here's the tab. So here, let me get so here it is. Some colored shrimp, I guess. So this is what it looks like. Simply saute it and I'll just taste it. Oh, and the price is $13.99. Rounded, it's about $14. So these are the shrimp on medium heat. So here is the finished garlic shrimp or garlic butter shrimp. I forgot the order. So let me just poke around this thing. Let's taste it. I don't really taste the butterness or the garlicness. I just taste like shrimp dipped in some random sauce. So I thought it was gonna be really salty, but actually it's not salty at all. So that's it for today. Subscribe and press the like button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!